Did you know that the Beanstack app takes the work out of tracking reading? Here's how to time a reading session. Tap the plus sign. Now tap Reading. Choose your reader from the list. Choose Scan ISBN or manually enter title info to add a new title for your reader. To time a reading session for a title that's already been added, tap Search Recently Logged Titles. Now choose the title that your child will either be reading or listening to. Tap Select Title when you're done. Now tap Start Reading Session. Now it's time for your child to sit back and either read or listen. Tap Done when the reading is over. Entering the first page number is optional, as is entering the last page number you read is optional. Tap Next when you're finished. If your reader finished the book, slide the switch to the right. If your reader didn't finish the book, leave the switch to the left. Tap Finish when you're done. And that's it. The reading has been added to the log. Completed books will count towards the birth to age 5 summer reading goals, while minutes will count towards the grades K-8 summer reading goals. Check out more Beanstack app tutorials by visiting glenviewpl.org/srp20.